Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to launch a token on Ton. So here are a few steps to follow. The first step is to mint your token. You're going to visit the Mint website by going to minter.ton.org. The link will be in the description below. Next, you'll need to upload your token logo. Use a tool like ImageBB to host your logo. Then you might need to adjust the image format and size. Then next, enter your token details in minter.ton.org. These details such as token name, token symbol, total supply, and the description, which is a brief description of your token. Then next, you'll need to connect your wallet. Use a wallet like OpenMask to connect to Ton network. Ensure you have some Ton coins for transaction fees. Then you'll mint your token. Complete the minting process. This will create your token and provide a contract address. Step number 2, add liquidity. You could go ahead and use an alternative DEX platform if you feel you have a better option, but this is what we're using for this guide. All the links will be in the description below. Then select your token. Use the contract address from the minting process to select your token on the DEX. Then you'll need to add liquidity. Decide how many of your tokens you need to add, and when it comes to the Ton amount, you'll need to add an equivalent value in Ton coins to create a liquidity pool. Then confirm your transaction by waiting for the transaction process. This step can take some time due to network congestion, so you might need to wait a bit. Then next you can start trading. Verify your token listing. Once the liquidity is added, your token should be tradable on the DEX. Then you'll need to monitor transactions, so use a block explorer to track transactions related to your token. Manage your token. You can mint more tokens, burn tokens, or transfer them between wallets as needed. And the last step is to revoke contract ownership. After setting up your token and ensuring everything is correct, you'll need to revoke your contract ownership to prevent further changes. This step ensures that your token's details cannot be altered once it's live. Do note that this process can be slow due to network congestion, so you'll need some patience for this. We hope you find this guide helpful in launching your token on Ton.